Hello guys, ito nga pala si Xiaomi 14 Ultra at balak i-launch ito ni Xiaomi sa February 22 sa China at February 25 naman ang global launch date nito. At kung gusto nyo malaman ng price nito, make sure na panoorin nyo ang buong video. Tara guys, pag-usapan muna natin ang kanyang specs and features. Meron itong 6.73 inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1440 by 3200 pixel resolution. May 120Hz refresh rate with 3000 nits peak of brightness. At meron siyang Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 screen protection. Ang Xiaomi 14 Ultra ay may operating system na MIUI 14 based on Android 14 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset na may Adreno 750 na GPU. Ang smartphone na to ay may 12 or 16GB of RAM with 256 512GB or 1TB internal storage at ito ay non-expandable. Ang Xiaomi 14 Ultra ay may 50MP main camera with OIS plus 50MP periscope telephoto camera with OIS plus 50MP telephoto camera with OIS plus 50MP ultra-wide camera plus TOF 3D depth sensor at kaya nito mag-record ng video up to 8K at 24fps with Leica lenses, dual LED flash, HDR and panorama. At meron siyang 32MP selfie camera with HDR and panorama at may 1080p at 60fps video recording. Sa kanya naman battery, meron siyang 5300 mAh battery capacity with 90W fast charging, 50W wireless charging, and 10W reverse wireless charging. Meron siyang under-display fingerprint scanner at meron siyang stereo speakers. Meron siyang 9.2mm thickness at may timbang na 220 grams with glass front, eco leather back, and titanium frame with IP68 dust and water resistance at ito ay may dual SIM. Sa connectivity, meron siyang 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, Navic, NFC, IR Blaster, OTG, and USB Type-C. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa price niya. Ang expected price ng Xiaomi 14 Ultra ay around 91,000 pesos. Ito ay price conversion lamang at pwede pa ito magbago kung sakaling magiging available ito sa Philippines. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Sulit ba ang Xiaomi 14 Ultra? Please comment down below. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat. Peace!